Hello Malaysia! We are the science superstars from SK Sungai Tua Baharu, Selangor, Malaysia. Greetings to our esteemed judges. Today we invite you to explore science beyond the horizon for a sustainable blue and green future. We proudly present P-EcoPod, our smart answer to the global plastic crisis.
In urban areas like Selangor, gardening relies heavily on black plastic polybags. While useful for holding soil, their environmental cost is hidden in plain sight. From garden drain to ocean death. First, plastic waste breaks down into microplastic, which are very tiny plastic particles. Next, when it rains, these microplastics are washed into drainage systems. Then, the water flows from drain into rivers and finally the ocean. As a result, microplastics pollute the ocean and can harm marine life like fish and turtles. This problem is not just land pollution, but a serious threat to our blue future.
Meet P-EcoPod, the organic successor to plastic. This biodegradable nursery pot is made entirely from recycled waste materials. The container structure securely holds soil and seeds during the germination. Over time, the pot acts as a biocatalyst, decomposing naturally and turning into a fertilizer that nourishes the plant. P-EcoPod helps reduce plastic waste while supporting a healthy plant growth.
How does it work? We use a special blend of three things: newspapers, mobile cellulose, moisturizer, tapioca flour is our organic glue. It's like a safe glue for the soil. And the secret ingredient, banana peels. They provide potassium for boost plant growth. Our P-EcoPod doesn't just grow the plant, it actually feeds the plant as it grows.
What is the impact? P-EcoPod drastically reduces plastic waste to promote healthier plant growth and educates the community on the circular economy. We want to ensure every home in Malaysia can garden without leaving a harmful carbon footprint. This is our contribution to a greener tomorrow. Hello Malaysia, we are the science superstar from SK Sungai Tua Baharu, Selangor, Malaysia. My name is Nick Iris. These are my brilliant teammates. Hi, I'm Humaira. Hi, I'm Rania. Hi, I'm Fatih.
Hi, I am Dean.
Today we invite you to explore the science beyond the horizon for a sustainable blue and green future. We proudly present P-EcoPod, our smart answer to the global plastic crisis.
How did we make the P-EcoPod? It was a fun process. Here's our secret recipe. Step 1. The banana boost. We boiled the banana peels to soften them. And then we blended them into a smooth paste. This is the vitamin for our plants. Step 2. The pulp. We shredded all newspapers and soaked them until they turned into a soft grey pulp. We squeezed out the water to make it nice and damp. Let's measure the banana boost and pulp. This time, we made P-EcoPod consists of 50% of banana boost and 50% of the pulp. So, it would be 50 grams of banana boost and 50 grams of pulp. We add tapioca starch and water too. Step 4. Mixing and molding. We mix everything together like dough. Then we press the mixture firmly into a mold to get the perfect shape. We repeat the same process for another 2 PE pot but with different amounts of banana boost and pulp. One with 75% of banana boost and the other will be 75% of pulp. The total of all pot will equal to 100 grams.
In closing, the data we presented is accurate and based on relevant scientific observations. All our references are available on the screen now. Let's move forward together with PE pot. Our experiment compared plant growth between a plastic pot and the PE pot. Both plants started at about 3 centimeters on day 2. However, from day 4 onwards, the plant grown in the PE pot showed faster growth. By day 14, the PE plant reached 16.5 centimeters compared to 14 centimeters in the plastic pot. This result shows that PE pot not only reduces plastic waste but also supports better plant growth.
PE pot proved that waste can become something valuable. By replacing plastic with biodegradable materials, we can reduce pollution and support sustainable plant growth. Together, small innovation like PE pot can create a greener future for our planet.